Sir, what did you do to become wealthy?
I actually roll burritos for a living.
You roll burritos?
I do.
The CEO of Chipotle talks about how he went from flipping burgers to becoming a multimillionaire.
What do you mean?
I'm the CEO of Chipotle Mexican Grill.
You're the CEO of Chipotle?
I am.
Did you come from a lot of money?
I did not.
So you didn't have rich parents?
I grew up in very humble beginnings.
How humble?
My first job was at a McDonald's restaurant flipping burgers. My high school career I spent washing dishes, and we had to earn money.
So you went from dishwasher to the CEO of one of the biggest companies in the world?
Pretty much.
How in the world does that happen? Come on. Look back at your career.
Whether you recognize it or not, you're building a reputation within your industry. But I would tell you, you're always interviewing. And whether you think others are watching or not, believe me, they are. You will be judged on your ability to drive performance. And I'll tell you, you earn credibility by delivering results. So stop.